Hey, what up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto doing a USB replacement on a 2018 Corolla. First thing you want to do is move your shifter out your way. You can have your key on for this. Just make sure you have your e-brake on and make sure your car ain't rolling nowhere. Get yourself a small baby flathead like this or something, maybe of something plastic that you can fit in between this USB and the dash. And you want to just slowly get underneath it and pry. There's these little plastic prongs that hold this in place. You want to push them down and push the USB out. Once it gets a little bit out, you could probably grab it with your fingers and pull it out. Yeah, just like that. And go ahead and undo the plug. You should be able to just push your finger. The little plastic prongs I was talking about are right here. I know you can't really see that well, but these hold it in place. So if you push these down, you should be able to pull it out. Anyways, I'm replacing this one because it's missing this cover and they want one with the cover. The cover is not sold separately. Alright, so go ahead and unplug this. Just push on this button and pull it out. This wire shouldn't shoot back in the dash, but just be careful just in case. And then we'll go ahead and plug our new one in. Sorry about my voice, by the way, I'm sick. That's why I sound funny. But yeah, let's plug this in. And then just push this back in place. It should pop in place like that. And there you go, that's it.